Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join squad in Mobile of Legends. So first thing you need to do is simply click on this small icon where I am hovering. Simply click on that, and once you do that, it will list all the guilds, all the squads that you can join. So select the squad which you want to join. So I will select this second one, and then simply click on this apply button at the right side. Once you do that, it will send your request, and once the leader of that squad approved your request, you will successfully join that guild. And what you can do, you can just click on this icon, and then this will show all the members of that particular squad. So that's how you can join squads in Mobile of Legends. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.